Hey, spooktacular bakers, let's make some Rice Krispie Monster Pops. First, you'll need some melted Merckens chocolate. Insert a stick into each treat, dip the stick into the melted chocolate, then reinsert it to glue it into place. Press the edges to secure. Into the fridge they go for 5 to 10 minutes to set. Now for the fun part. Dip those treats into the melted chocolate. If the chocolate starts to set back up, just give it a quick remelt. Tap off the excess chocolate and place your treats on a parchment-lined cookie sheet. Add some Jimmies Sprinkles for hair and Icing Eyes for that perfect monster look. I used Icing Eyes in various sizes to make them look extra silly. Back into the fridge for another 10 minutes and voila, your Monster Pops are ready to wow. Get all your spooky supplies at confectionaryhouse.com, where we have everything you need for baking, cake decorating, and candy making, including Merckens chocolate melt, Icing Eyes, sprinkles, and so much more.